Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas, where style meets serenity. Today, we're diving into one of the dreamiest bedroom color combinations, sage green and blush. This pairing is soothing, elegant, and effortlessly chic. Whether you're planning a full makeover or just adding a few touches, we've got 10 gorgeous tips to help you style the perfect sage and blush sanctuary. So grab your tea, get cozy, and let's reimagine your bedroom with layers of calm sophistication. Begin your bedroom makeover by grounding your space with soft, neutral tones. Think warm whites, ivory, or gentle beige on your walls or larger furniture. This creates a light and airy backdrop that makes sage green and blush accents pop without overwhelming the senses. Neutrals provide visual breathing room, letting your color palette shine while keeping the room serene. Painted walls or crisp bedding in off-white can instantly uplift your space and make it feel larger, cleaner, and more refined. Sage green works beautifully as a main accent color in the bedroom. It brings a natural, earthy calmness that feels modern yet timeless. Use it in larger elements like an upholstered headboard, a throw blanket, or accent pillows. You can even go bold with sage green curtains or a feature wall behind your bed. The trick is to keep the tone soft and muted. Avoid overly dark or saturated greens. Sage is all about that subtle, dusty vibe that whispers instead of shouts. Blush pink is the romantic counterpart to sage green. It works best in delicate doses. Think plush pillows, a rosy throw, or a subtle floral arrangement. The goal is to enhance rather than dominate. Blush adds warmth and femininity without feeling too sugary. You can also incorporate blush through wall art, decorative vases, or a cozy rug. Layer it gently for a balanced and dreamy effect that complements the tranquility of sage green. Introduce organic elements like linen, jute, rattan, or natural wood to ground your color palette. A rattan chair in the corner or a woven jute rug underfoot adds depth and prevents the color scheme from feeling too flat. Light-toned wood nightstands or a cane headboard offer beautiful texture and an earthy connection. These materials enhance the natural feel of sage while giving blush a relaxed, bohemian edge. For a touch of sophistication, incorporate gold or brass accents throughout the room. These warm metals elevate the soft palette of sage and blush without overpowering it. Think brass curtain rods, a gold-framed mirror, or metallic drawer pulls on your dresser. A sleek brass table lamp or vintage-inspired wall sconce can instantly add a sense of polished glamour. It's all about those subtle, gleaming touches that add warmth and luxury to the space. If you're loving these dreamy design tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post beautiful and practical home decor ideas just like this one every week. And if you're enjoying the sage and blush vibe so far, give this video a like and drop us a comment. Tell us which tip you're excited to try in your own bedroom. Now, let's get back to styling. To make your sage and blush bedroom feel like a true retreat, layer it with cozy fabrics. Think plush velvet cushions, textured knit throws, or linen duvets. Fabrics in different textures create visual richness and tactile comfort. Choose blush-toned linens, sage velvet cushions, or even a chunky ivory knit blanket. The layering of materials not only adds interest but also makes the space inviting and restful, perfect for winding down after a long day. Botanical prints and real or faux plants bring the outdoors in, enhancing the natural vibe of sage green. A set of framed botanical illustrations, a floral wallpaper with blush blooms, or even sage-toned leaf motifs on bedding can create a soft, nature-inspired look. You can also add a potted plant or hanging greenery for freshness. Think eucalyptus, snake plants, or pampas grass in blush-toned vases to elevate the aesthetic without much effort. If space allows, a blush accent chair or bench adds charm and functionality. A velvet blush chair in the corner can serve as a cozy reading nook, while a blush bench at the foot of the bed gives extra seating and texture. The key here is soft fabric and rounded shapes. Look for tufted or curved furniture that enhances the romantic, cozy theme. This also provides a pop of color without needing to overhaul the entire palette. This color palette thrives in a serene, uncluttered space. Choose fewer decor items but make each one meaningful, perhaps a ceramic vase, a hand-picked candle, or a piece of framed art. Let the colors and materials speak for themselves. A sage green ceramic lamp, a blush watercolor print, or a simple linen tray can all create moments of quiet beauty. Keep surfaces clean and decorate with intention for a peaceful and polished look. The right lighting completes the picture. Soft, warm lighting enhances the blush tones and gives sage green a cozy glow. Use bedside lamps with linen shades, fairy lights along the headboard, or a gold floor lamp with a dimmer for maximum ambience. Consider adding a blush-toned glass lamp or one with a sage green ceramic base to tie in your palette. Lighting is the final layer that turns your bedroom into a true sanctuary, gentle, romantic, and restorative. Your dream bedroom is just a few thoughtful details away. By blending sage green's calming nature with blush pink's soft romance, you can create a space that feels fresh, elegant, and totally you. If you enjoyed these tips, remember to subscribe for more home inspiration. Leave a comment below to tell us which idea you'll try first. And as always, thank you for watching Beautiful Home Design Ideas, where every space becomes a reflection of your unique style.